Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Preservative and preservation. In case of suspected case of poisoning, the following organs are preserved. Stomach and its contents are preserved. Early part of intestine is preserved, especially 30 centimeters of upper part of intestine is preserved. Liver, which is 200 to 300 grams and not less than 500 grams, is preserved. Kidney, one half of each kidney. Kidney is cut along its convex border or surface. If we collect the whole kidney, sometimes it may be failed kidney. So we collect only one half of each kidney. Blood, ideally 30 ml is collected, but minimum of 10 ml is to be collected to detect the poison or the drug. Blood is taken from the peripheral veins before opening the body. Particularly, blood is taken from the femoral vein or external iliac vein. Avoid taking blood from the heart. Urine of about 30 ml is collected. Stomach and intestine are put in one bottle. Liver and kidney are put in one bottle. Preservatives used for stomach, liver, intestine and kidney is saturated solution of saline. Most commonly used and best preservative is saturated solution of saline. Saturated solution of saline is contraindicated in case of corrosive acids, bases and aconites. In this case, rectified spirit can be used. Rectified spirit can be used in case of corrosive acids, bases and aconites. But rectified spirit is contraindicated in alcohol, phenol, phosphorus and kerosene poisoning. Preservative for blood is sodium or potassium fluoride. 100 milligram per ml of blood is the dose of sodium or potassium fluoride. Potassium oxalate 3 milligrams per ml can be used as an anticoagulant. For urine, we can use sodium or potassium fluoride or thymol 100 milligrams or 1 milliliter of concentrated HCl can be used. In case of estimation of enzymes, tissues are preserved in a thermoflask containing liquid nitrogen. For virology, organs are preserved in 10% formalin solution, and for histopathology, organs are preserved in 10% formalin. For anatomical specimens, the organs shall be preserved for in 40% of formalin.
thank you and thank you for watching.